Hello and welcome to Exploring PTS Primo Charts. This is our number 15 session. Today, we're going to keep with the kind of the same topics that we were talking for the past 2 weeks, and it is about the menus on PTS Primo Charts. So today, we're going to talk about the view menu, half of it at least. From chart colors to show the Darvas boxes. So now I'm going to share the platform. And these on the top are the menus that I'm referring to. If you go to the view menu, let me go first to a chart. You have to go to a chart to see the full options on the menu. Otherwise, some of the options will be grayed out. So let's say that I go to the multi-scanner and I go to the view menu. These options are grayed out because they will only work if you are on a chart. The view menu from chart colors to the Darvas boxes. So we're going to talk about the opening line, the market opening line, the high-low prices of the portion of the chart that is showing, the X grid, the Y grid, the panel separators, what are those, the chart on a 3D style, and the Darvas boxes if you own them. Starting with the chart colors, when you go to that one, you can pretty much, you can go pretty much see these options for color, background color, grid, update color. So I'd rather, instead of using the chart colors to change things on the chart, as far as, like makeup, I'd rather go to the chart appearance and use the same options. The advantage of doing it from here is that you can see exactly what is going on your charts when you do that. So for example, if I put a green candle on the bar app, I'm going to see how those changes are going to revert on your charts. Instead of applying them, if I want to change something before I apply them. So that is my recommendation, that you use the chart appearance icon instead of these ones, which they do exactly the same thing. This option will be disabled in the next version of the platform because actually it doesn't do anything. They show the open market line. This is an interesting option because you have, when you're using smaller time frames, like the 60-minute time frame, and you want to see where the market opens, so you can click and it's going to show you where is the opening line of the market. If you use extended trading hours, which is under the data menu, so again, it will show you where the market opens. The other option, view, and then the show, you see that when I apply the show market opening line, a little like icon appears on the left, and that means that you have applied that particular option. The show the high and the low. So you see these blue arrows on the top and on the bottom. So it's showing the highest high and the lowest low of the portion of the chart that is showing. So if I make this chart like a smaller or bigger, you see that the high moved to here. So it will show you those options just for the portion of the chart that is showing on your screen. Sometimes we split the screen in two. Then again, that is what is going to happen only in this portion of the chart. The third option will be to show the X grid. So these are the horizontal and vertical grids. I really don't think anybody uses this any longer. But if you like to see your charts in this way, so you can see on the right-hand side what the prices are or the dates when you're using the vertical ones, you can do that from there. So I'm going to take them off because I think they're, it's too easy for the chart to have those. And I also would like to take the opening line of the market. And the next one is the show the panel separators. That one is when you apply an indicator on your chart, which is done with this icon, the technical analysis indicator icon. Let's take the MACD, for example, and apply it to that particular chart. And that show panel separator, if I click on it, you saw the line that is dividing the chart and the MACD disappear. So now I'm going to apply it again and it shows again. So actually the default is showing it. So probably it's a good idea to leave it with like that. The other option is the 3D style of the candles. So my chart, I'm going to make this bigger. My chart has the extreme trend applied. So I'm going to take off the extreme trend so it doesn't make that much noise at this moment. And the 3D style, this is how the candles will look, like in 3D. This is just makeup for the chart. Actually, this one is pretty cool. And then you have the Darvas Boxes. The Darvas Boxes is a course that is sold separately. So probably if you don't have that course, this will be grayed out. Or if you click, it will say that you have to buy it. But if you have it, this is how the Darvas Boxes look. And it has a technique that is explained in the course that comes with it when you buy it. So this is pretty much it for today. The next week, we're going to keep on working on this view menu, the news readers, the notifications, the feedback. And probably at some point, we will go to the paper trading and RPS calculator. Next week, we're going to meet again at 4:05 p.m. And if you have questions, please type them on your on the chat. But if you don't have any questions, then I will see you next week. So I give you 30 seconds or we will close the meeting. Okay, so I don't see any questions. So see you next week and thank you for coming. Bye-bye.